Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we're going to take a look at a new feature in TPC Desktop 2018 that allows us to control all the decimals used in a legal description right from the legal description writer. I've opened up a user's file here that has a record lot, and notice that I've got decimals here for distances and angles and whatnot, bearings. Those come in the traverse from the Traverse View format. So there's a decimals tab here in addition to the other formatting stuff, and I can control how many decimals to display. So if I print this out, those are the decimals I'm going to get. But what if you want something different for the legal description? So I'm going to go to Tools and open up the legal description report here. And these used to be controlled, the decimals here used to be controlled by the set program settings. So I could go up to the program overall and say I want this number of decimals for distance or acres or whatever. Well, now I've got a decimals tab right here. So I can say, hey, when I write this legal description, I want to round these off to the nearest minute. So I'm going to do 2 decimal places, so just the minutes, not the seconds. And I can say I want square feet to the nearest foot, 1/10 of a foot, and I want acres out to 3 decimal places. So watch what happens now when I write this legal description. And I'm going to choose the other options I want. Okay, extra spaces in the bearing, that looks good. And let's choose OK. So Traverse PC is going to write this legal description for us. And we can see here that Traverse PC has rounded off the direction, north 4 degrees, 20 minutes west, using 2 decimal places, because that's what we said. And then if we come down to the areas down here, I've got square feet to the nearest 1/10 of a foot, and I've got acres to 3 decimal places. Now, I wouldn't necessarily do that, use those decimal places, but I wanted you to see that I can now control all the decimal places right here just by going to Tools, Legal Description Writer, and then I click on Decimals and choose whatever decimals I want. And those are the decimals then that show up in the legal description.